The other great thing with the system in this 2017 Citroen DS3 is it has Apple Carplay. So if you've got your charging lead and you plug it into the bottom socket, the USB into the bottom socket, and then into your iPhone, sadly some stupid design means that whatever's playing on your phone always starts off playing on the system when you plug it in, but it'll either come up straight away, do you want Apple CarPlay, or because I've already had it going, it thinks it's still playing and I don't have to do anything. But if I go down to menu, click menu, and then you've got connected services here. So if I click connected services, you've got Apple CarPlay. Click Apple CarPlay and then it's come on. But normally, if you just got in the car and you hadn't used it already, you plug the lead in and it'll come on. And so there. So my phone's here, and you want to use the Sat Nav rather than programming it like we did before. Hey Siri, navigate to Grosvenor Garage, Wantley Preston.
Getting directions to Grosvenor Garage.
As I say, the radio keeps coming on, which is really annoying.
To Grosvenor Garage.
But that's it.
Head southwest on Quedale Lane.
So when you're driving, as long as your phone's plugged in, you can just ask you can be doing 70 on the motorway, and program your Sat Nav without fear of getting arrested or pulled over. It's just that simple. So again, hey Siri, play music.
Okay.
So there you go. So it's actually better just having your phone plugged in. You don't have to touch anything, don't have to program anything. It's a brilliant system.